Hello everyone, my name is Jocelyn Bercancel from Pateros Technological College. My course is Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. And today, I will explain to you the parts of motherboard. This is part of our midterm activities in CSS or Computer System Servicing and C2. CPU fan, then CPU socket. Ito yung CPU fan niya. Ito naman yung CPU socket. Ito siya. Then next is CMOS battery. And dito naman is R68 inductors labeled R68. Then dito naman sa katabi niya electrolytic capacitors. Then dito niya naman is 4-pin ATX 12B power connector. Dito naman PCB printed circuit board. Dito sa pinakamaliit niya ay 4-pin CPU fan header. Dito is RAM. Dito naman sa 1R2 is SMD or in-surface mount device inductor with a marking 1R2. Then next, 24-pin ATX power connector. And then dito sa maliit is USB 3.0 front panel header. Then dito sa 3 is smaller connector. SATA ports. Dito sa maliit na ito, yung tinatawag na crystal resonator. Then dito naman is SATA ports. And dito naman is LPT or line printer terminal. Then dito naman LPT line printer terminal. Then ito yung panel, ito yung COM. Ito yung panel niya. Ito. Then COM. Ito siya. Then next is ito yung heatsink. Then dito PCIe or peripheral component. Then interconnect express slots. This is dito electrolytic capacitor. Then dito naman is quartz crystal oscillator. Then dito sa maliit na ito, tinatawag naman siyang GS1085 series low dropout. Next naman natin ay ito yung dito, itong block na ito ay tinatawag na smaller connector. Then dito naman is PCIe. Proceed naman tayo dito sa kabila. First is green port. Dito naman sa baba is purple port. Then next dito is VGA or video graphics array. Then dito naman sa baba niya is DVI or digital visual interface. Then dito naman sa left side is black ports for USB 0.2. Then dito naman sa right side is blue ports USB 3.0 or 3.1. Ito naman yung tinatawag na micro USB type B port. Then dito naman tayo sa LAN port. Then dito is audio ports.